Well, of course, what is at stake here is the integrity of the institution. Kung dalas tayong makakakita, makakarinig ng ganitong klaseng investigation, no, in aid of legislation, wala naman pong nakukuha, no, na sapat na ebidensya, impormasyon out of these three hearings conducted by the Senate, particularly the Committee on Dangerous Drugs. So I guess the Senate leadership has to intervene, no? Because even members of the Senate have already commented and reacted the way the proceeding is being conducted. Sinasabi naman po nila na wala naman pong saysay yung mga testimonya nitong dismissed PDEA agent, and therefore what we have right now is a fabricated evidence being presented before a committee hearing. Sabi nga doon ni Pangulong Marcos, is a professional liar. Ako naman, sinasabi ko sa kanya, is a pathological liar. No, he keeps on lying. So with this kind of witness being presented before an investigation, what is at stake here again is the quality of investigation. Let us remember, we are doing this in aid of legislation. So dapat meron pong malinaw na direksyon.